Hi, this is Jeff with iPhone Download Blog. Now we're going to talk about AdBlocker, which is a jailbreak tweak for the iPhone. Now AdBlocker is an easy to use ad blocking solution. Basically, once you download it, it puts a settings section in your settings app, which you can see here. And in this settings section for AdBlocker, you'll notice quite a few different options. There are options for various rules you can set up, which is more advanced for more advanced users. And then there's this interesting other apps option. Now what other apps does is it allows you to block ads in other apps besides just Safari. So we're going to check that out here a little later. But first of all, let's look at the basic functionality of AdBlocker. Let's go out to Safari. And I have iPhone Download Blog loaded up here. And you can see there is one advertisement at the top for the Nexus S by Google. So if I refresh that page, you'll see that advertisement come right back up, hopefully. Alright, it does. So let's close that out. Let's go back to our settings app, and let me show you how it looks when I turn AdBlocker on. Okay, AdBlocker is enabled. So I'll go back out and we'll go back to Safari. All we do is refresh our page one time, and bam, no advertisement to speak of. So that's one of the good things about AdBlocker. It works, and it works quickly. There's no respringing involved. There's no rebooting involved. You just simply turn it on and it starts working. It starts blocking ads. Now let's look at another website. Let's first of all disable AdBlocker. Now let's go to another website. Let's try 9to5Mac. That's a good site. I can type. Okay, let's check that out. Alright, so you see an advertisement already at the top there, which is good for this example. Alright, there's an advertisement for Snagit. There's a couple more ads here. So let's close out of a 9to5Mac and let's go back to our settings app. Let's enable AdBlocker, close back out, open back up. Let's just stop it and let's reload and see what it looks like now. Okay, looks like it handled those advertisements pretty well. Still loading. Now, one of the things about the iPhone is that since the iPhone doesn't have flash, the iPhone doesn't suffer a lot from pop-up ads, advertisements never were a really big deal to me. And honestly, I never saw a need for ad blocking software on the iPhone, and really I still don't. Everything seems to coexist fairly well on the iPhone. Advertisements coexist with content, so I never really saw a problem with advertisements on the iPhone, but that's just my opinion. Now, interestingly enough, the area that I do find problems with ads is in Cydia. But oddly enough, if you go into your settings app and go back to AdBlocker, you look in the other app section, you're not going to find Cydia anywhere in here. It's really up to you as to whether you decide this is a worthwhile feature to have on your iPhone and whether or not that $1.99 is worth it. This is Jeff with iPhone Download Blog.